Think American cars can't go the distance? Think again. I'm about to reveal 9 American-made vehicles that regularly hit 500,000 miles and keep going strong. Stick around because number 1 on this list has owners reporting over 1 million miles with original engines. Number 9. Ford Crown Victoria. Let's start with the ultimate highway warrior. The Ford Crown Victoria, especially the Police Interceptor version, is legendary for its bulletproof reliability. These cars were built like tanks with a 4.6-liter V8 engine that's nearly indestructible. Police departments across America put millions of miles on these vehicles, and they just keep running. The secret is in the body-on-frame construction and the bulletproof 4R70 transmission. Taxi companies in New York regularly got 300,000 to 500,000 miles out of these beasts before even considering retirement. The civilian versions are just as tough, and you can find them everywhere for reasonable prices. Many Crown Vics are still running strong with over 400,000 miles on the original engine and transmission. Number 8. Chevrolet Silverado. The Silverado with the 5.3-liter V8 is a 500,000-mile champion that proves American trucks can go the distance. This engine is part of GM's legendary LS family, known for incredible durability and simple maintenance. The key to longevity is the iron block construction and proven pushrod design. Fewer moving parts means fewer things to break. Construction workers, contractors, and fleet operators regularly report Silverados reaching 400,000 to 600,000 miles with just basic maintenance. The secret sauce is the aluminum heads on an iron block, which provides the perfect balance of strength and heat dissipation. These trucks are so reliable that many are passed down through generations, still hauling loads and towing trailers decades after they rolled off the assembly line. Number 7. Ford F-150. America's best-selling truck earns its reputation for a reason. The F-150s from this era, especially with the 4.6-liter and 5.4-liter V8 engines, are absolute workhorses that regularly see 500,000 miles and beyond. These engines feature forged internals and robust timing chain systems that can handle decades of heavy use. Fleet managers love these trucks because they know they'll get 300,000 miles minimum with proper maintenance. The 4R100 transmission paired with these engines is equally bulletproof. Many contractors report buying used F-150s with 200,000 miles and driving them another 300,000 without major issues. The key is the modular V8 design. Parts are everywhere, repairs are straightforward, and the engines are built to handle serious abuse. Number 6. Jeep Cherokee XJ. The Jeep Cherokee XJ with the legendary 4-liter inline-6 is possibly the most indestructible SUV ever built by an American company. This engine is so reliable that Jeep used it for nearly 2 decades across multiple vehicle platforms. The inline-6 configuration provides perfect balance and smooth operation, while the cast iron construction ensures it can handle massive amounts of abuse. Off-road enthusiasts regularly report Cherokees with 300,000 to 600,000 miles, still climbing mountains and crossing streams like they're brand new. The secret is in the simple design. No timing belt to break, just a bulletproof timing chain, and the engine bay has enough space for easy maintenance. Many XJ owners consider the engine to be broken in at 100,000 miles and expect another 400,000 miles of reliable service. Number 5. Ford Ranger. Don't let the compact size fool you. The Ford Ranger is a 500,000-mile machine. Both the 2.3-liter 4-cylinder and 4-liter V6 engines in these trucks are legendary for their longevity. The four-cylinder version in particular is nearly bulletproof thanks to its simple overhead valve design and robust construction. Delivery drivers, utility companies, and small business owners regularly report Rangers hitting 400,000 to 500,000 miles with minimal major repairs. The manual transmission versions are especially durable, with the Mazda-sourced 5-speed being virtually indestructible. These trucks are so reliable that many are still in daily service after 30 years. The key to their longevity is the lightweight design and conservative engineering. These engines never work hard, even under full load. Comment Insider if you feel like you just joined a secret club. Number 4, Chevrolet Tahoe/Suburban. When you need to haul people and cargo for 500,000 miles, nothing beats a Chevrolet Tahoe or Suburban. These full-size SUVs are built on the same bulletproof platform as the Silverado pickup, which means they inherit all that legendary durability. The 5.7-liter Vortec 5V8 from the 90s is particularly indestructible, with many examples reaching 400,000 to 600,000 miles, 100,000 miles with original engines and transmissions. Law enforcement agencies, taxi companies, and large families regularly put massive mileage on these vehicles without major issues. The secret is the body-on-frame construction and proven drivetrain components. These SUVs are so durable that many are still serving as family haulers after 20-plus years and 300,000 miles. Number 3, Ford Mustang GT. You might be surprised to see a sports car on this list, but the Ford Mustang GT with the 5-liter V8 is a legitimate 500,000-mile machine. Both the classic 5-liter HO engine from the late 80s and early 90s and the modern Coyote 5-liter from 2011 onward are incredibly durable when properly maintained. Enthusiasts regularly report high-mileage Mustangs with original engines still making full power after decades of spirited driving. The key is the robust bottom end and conservative tuning from the factory. Many police departments use Mustang SSP versions as pursuit vehicles, regularly putting massive mileage on them without major issues. The Coyote engine in particular is over-engineered for its power output, which means it can handle serious abuse and high mileage with ease. Number 2, Chevrolet Corvette. America's sports car isn't just fast, it's built to last. Chevrolet Corvettes, with small block V8 engines, regularly hit astronomical mileage figures when properly maintained. The legendary small block Chevy V8 in various displacements has powered Corvettes to 500,000 miles and beyond in countless documented cases. The secret is the aluminum construction in later years and the conservative tuning despite high power output. Many Corvette owners use their cars as daily drivers, racking up huge mileage while enjoying sports car performance. The C4, C5, and C6 generations are particularly reliable, with the LS series engines proving nearly bulletproof in real-world use. These cars are so well built that many high-mileage examples still feel tight and responsive after decades of use. Number 1, Ford F-Series. The absolute king of high-mileage American vehicles is the Ford Super Duty with the legendary 7.3-liter Power Stroke diesel. This engine is so reliable that trucks regularly hit 1 million miles with original engines still running strong. The 7.3 Power Stroke was built by International and designed for commercial use, which means it's engineered to handle massive loads and extreme conditions for decades. Owner-operators, construction companies, and farming operations regularly report these trucks hitting 600,000 to 800,000 miles with minimal major repairs. The secret is the mechanical fuel injection system and robust bottom end that can handle massive torque loads day after day. Many of these trucks are still earning money for their owners after 20 plus years and 500,000 miles. The combination of the bulletproof diesel engine and heavy-duty drivetrain makes this the most durable American vehicle ever built for the masses. The real secret? To 500,000-mile reliability. Here's what separates these legendary vehicles from the rest. They were all designed with durability as the primary goal, not just performance or fuel economy. Every engine on this list features robust bottom-end construction, conservative tuning, and simple proven technology that mechanics can service anywhere in America. Regular maintenance is absolutely crucial. These engines will go the distance, but only if you change the oil religiously, replace filters on schedule, and address small problems before they become big ones. The owners who hit 500,000 miles aren't lucky. They're dedicated to proper maintenance and choose the right vehicles from the start. Which of these bulletproof American machines surprised you the most? Have you owned one of these high-mileage heroes? Drop a comment and let me know your experience with ultra-reliable American cars. And if this video changed your mind about American automotive reliability, smash that like button and subscribe for more content that separates automotive fact from fiction.